Hi everyone, just want to make this quick video as a public service announcement. Now, in my video about T440p, I talked about how the built-in trackpad on 40 series ThinkPads is horrible, and a lot of people after buying 40 series ThinkPads, they removed the built-in trackpad and they put in a replacement trackpad from 50 series, which is completely compatible. It can be retrofitted onto the old ThinkPads. However, I've been told on Reddit and on some other resources that this trackpad upgrade can possibly damage your screen. And just to show you what I'm talking about, I've done this upgrade myself. Here it is. And I don't know if you can see, but basically this middle click button, it has a relief, and it's sort of higher on a level than the space bar and the whole keyboard in general. And if there's a little pressure on the lid or on the bottom plate of the laptop, the screen and the middle click button can actually collide and rub against each other and possibly cause display damage. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but I didn't want to find out the hard way. So what I did is I found some appliances and I scavenged some rubber tabs from them. This is how it looks like, and I put those rubber tabs on the top corners of the display bezel so that there's basically less chance that the middle click button collides with the display here. And I think that's basically the most important upgrade for T440p that you can do after you upgrade the trackpad. Because whether the information about the screen damage with the new 50 series trackpad is true or not, I don't think any of you would like to find out themselves. So I recommend you do that as well. If you don't have any appliances, any stuff that might have rubber tabs at home, you can buy those on eBay or AliExpress. They're pretty cheap, they're about €1 or €1.50. I think you would agree that this is a pretty inexpensive upgrade that could possibly save you around $80, to replace your broken screen. So yeah, that's basically it. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.